Hi Kevin, I'm Lynn from Digital Energy and I'm sending you this video I promised you I would so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in business, and create more revenue. So I'm not sure how much you're spending with Facebook ads. A lot of people pay anywhere from $50 to $100 a day for their Facebook ads, which really adds up, and it's every single month. So I looked up tuckerstotaltree.com and your website is no longer up. I would like to see it up because this is the way that you're going to bring in business organically without having to pay for ads. So let's go ahead and go look at one of your top competitors. I put in tree removal in Charlotte, North Carolina since I wasn't sure exactly where you guys were located. If you did have a really great website, I am pretty positive that you would be able to make the locations that you service a lot smaller instead of doing 3 states. And I'm sure that would make your lives a lot easier. So they have a pretty good website here at Mark's Tree Service. I'm not sure they had it professionally done. I would like yours to look a little bit better than theirs though, because I'm sure I could do a better job than this. And we're going to go look and see what Google thinks about them. So let's talk about backlinks. So a backlink is simply where you put your link to your website on someone else's website and it transfers power from their website to your website, which in turn gives you more trust with Google. Now in our industry, we have do follow links and we have no follow links. Do follow links actually do transfer the power from the other website to your website. So looking at their numbers here, I can almost guarantee you, since they have 732 backlinks, that they have almost all no follow links. So we just had some really good do follow links. I'm probably going to suggest about 100. Then it would be really hard for anyone to probably beat you, and you could rank wherever you wanted to. Here is their trust factor with Google. The UR is their homepage, and then the DR is their whole entire website. So as you can see, these numbers aren't very high, and they're not very close together. You also want them to be pretty close together because that's called the golden ratio, and it is important. Now, we're going to talk about content. So we would like to see about 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and then also maybe on your back pages for your services, the ones that you want to rank for the most to bring you the most profit. We also want to put probably about 1,000 word of contents on those service pages. Now, in those service pages, we want to have keywords, and those are going to be location-specific keywords that people actually search for. So I'm going to go through people's websites and I'm going to find the very best location-specific keywords to put on your website. Let me see here. So we have Tree Service Charlotte. That's getting 200 searches a month, but it has a 9 KD. I would really like to get you 3 and under for keyword difficulty because those will have you ranked in just a few months. So the last thing that we're going to talk about, Kevin, is citations. And citations are just simply your name, address, and phone number across different directories in the web, such as Super Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's also a lot of great general contracting directories you can get your citations on. And that's really going to help you for the Google Map Pack, which is one of the easiest ways to get on to Google on the first page. So if you have any questions about this video, I'd love to hear from you. I'd also like to hear about any feedback you have for it. And if you would like to do the research on this and do it yourself, I'm perfectly fine with that. However, if you would like to save yourself a lot of time and stress, I'd be more than happy to have a discussion with you and see if we're a good fit for each other. Hope you're having an incredible day, Kevin. Thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye.